So, the Roosters and the Storm at the SCG. Two sides that are very good in the NRL, but in the season continues, not that good. The Roosters struggling to score points throughout the series. The Storm, a few close losses, but again, let's welcome both sides to the field. Big strong forwards on the bench. Let's look at the Roosters. Tedesco. Boyd Cordner, Radley.
Weather like this can test the radar of even the best kickers, Eddie. I reckon both teams will
exciting clash, this one.
To help their kickers.
One of these teams should move up the ladder, and one may fall or stay in their position. There we go. Ryan Pappenhausen gets it. Ryan Pappenhausen. Oh, Pappenhausen steps through, passes it to Vunivalu. And Seve plays it. Munster, Smith. What a start for the Storm. Oh, it's intercepted here. Victor Radley. Oh, Victor Radley. He's close. Are they going to catch him? They're going to catch him. Cameron Smith tackles Radley. Roosters out of nowhere. The Roosters with a prime scoring opportunity. 6 minutes in. Their forwards push forward. Not finding the opportunity to score yet. And here they are. First try scorer is Boyd Cordner, the captain. Goes in very close to the posts. And the Roosters lead 4-0. Melbourne will be spewing at that era. Boyd Cordner steps through. Finucane. Kyle Flanagan. To make it 6-0, he kicks it. Great start for the Roosters. Cam Smith to get us back underway. 8 minutes gone. Roosters lead 6-0. Goes to Keary. Keary steps through. The Roosters, they look very slippery here. Jake Friend. Goes to Manu. And then Ryan Hall. Manu tries to run, but he's caught up by Vunivalu. Roosters go left. Brett Morris, he's been fairly quiet in the season continues. He's tackled there. Jake Friend goes to the right. They go right with Manu. Ryan Hall steps. Ryan Hall's going to score. They've gone back to back, the Roosters. The Roosters will lead 10-0 over the Storm. Close to 15 minutes gone. Wonderful try from Ryan Hall. Cameron Smith came close. And I think it was Munster who tried to get on the outside of the goal, but couldn't stop the strength of Ryan Hall. Here's Flanagan to make it 12-0. That one waves away. He tried to get the kick, but it just wasn't enough. The Roosters lead the Storm 10 points to 0. Right on top of this one. Goes down to Keary. Keary's ankle tapped by Jesse Bromwich. Asafa Solomona tries to tackle Friend. Manu goes away. Manu gets it to Hall. No, he'll be tackled on second.
Flanagan, line support inside. Cordner tests the defence with a short ball. Weaves his way through.
Brett Morris fends off the tackle. Tupou goes to the right. It's going to be picked up here. Cameron Smith. Oh, Cameron Smith. He's gone in to score. The Storm
is over the line.
They score a 4-pointer. The Roosters 10, the Storm 4. Kick to come from the Storm. Cameron Smith to convert his own try. 20 minutes gone. Roosters on top of the Storm. They found a scoring opportunity. What will they come up with next? Goes down to Pappenhausen. He's been good.
Nice tackle there. Hard to make ground when there's that many in the
Osofa Solomona.
What a step! And they rattle his back.
Kafusi tries to push forward, but he can't get there. The Roosters' defence too good. Munster looked like he was away there, but he passed it to Seve. Munster kicks. And the Roosters get the ball back with Tedesco, who steps through. At the halfway line on their first, the Roosters, they go left. 27 minutes gone. Keary to Cordner. Morris was away. It's frozen. This match has frozen. They go right. Takiaho to Manu. Manu's been quite involved in this match. Jake Friend plays it. Dropped ball there, but the ref is not going to say knock on. But there we go, the Storm pick it up with Dale Finucane, who passes it straight back to Boyd Cordner. Bit of back and forth here. Roosters lead the Storm 10 points to 6, 8 minutes out from half time. They go right again with Takiaho, Flanagan, Orbison, and finally with Manu. That pass looked very close to being forward. The Roosters, they're throwing the ball around a lot, but they've got this lead. Can they hold on to it? Orbison and Manu. The Storm's defence has been good, but the Roosters, they're pushing up against their line. And Brett Morris turns it over. Justin Olam with the ball. Olam is being chased. Will they catch him? Olam's chased. And Takiaho chases him and intercepts the ball just before half time. Orbison finishes off the half. Roosters lead 10-6. So a 10-6 lead to the Roosters. Cam Smith kicks it. Goes down to Keary to start the second half. Can the Roosters hold on? Or will the Storm be too electric in the second half? Manu goes to Ryan Hall. Surges forward. Big game from Ryan Hall. Orbison offloads. He's thumped. Jake Friend plays the ball. We've got an injury here. It's Jesse Bromwich. Jesse Bromwich playing on, injured. And here is Tedesco. Tedesco passes it to Friend. Gets to Flanagan, who's tackled by an injured Jesse Bromwich with a thigh strain. The coach allows him to play on. And Brett Morris. Oh, Nelson Asafa Solomona picked up the ball. However, he ran out, and the Roosters will get another opportunity. They lead by 4, the Roosters. Keary's tackled. And Jake Friend. Slippery passing. Roosters lead 10-6, 50 minutes gone. Injured Jesse Bromwich playing on. Ryan Hall. Jake Friend goes to Flanagan. Injured Jesse Bromwich picks up the ball. Jesse Bromwich runs. He's having a killer game, Bromwich. And he shouldn't even be on the field to prevent injury. Vunivalu to play it. 54 minutes gone. And Finucane. Oh no, the Storm. A dislocated elbow for Finucane sees him come on for Christian Welch. He'll be out for a few weeks, we think. Next week, you won't see Dale Finucane. He's been involved with the match. Big kick there from Addo Carr, but the high tackle from Tupou gives Munster an advantage to push the Storm closer to the try line. 55 minutes gone. Munster to kick. Bit of a weird kick. At least it went out though from Munster. And the tap by Cameron Smith. Marion Seve. So they're pushing forward the Storm. Asafa Solomona to Munster to Seve. Trying to step, but Seve gets tackled. 2 tackles gone, 35 metres out. Injured Jesse Bromwich still on the field. The Storm go to Vunivalu. That'll be 4th. They're down 10-6, 60 minutes gone in the match. Big range to the right, kicks it up. And Daniel Tupou takes the high ball. Friend to tap restart. Goes right, past Bromwich. Orbison. Manu fends. Here is Ryan Hall. Goes left. Injured Jesse Bromwich. Almost caught offside there. Here it is, Brett Morris. Brett Morris is running. He is chased. He grabs that tackle straight off him. First tackle in the Roosters. They're close to the line here. Puts a bomb up the Roosters. What's going to happen? Oh! Beautiful try. Daniel Tupou. Let's take a look at this one again. Excellent try by the Roosters. Tupou passed it. It was kicked up. Oh, it's going to do this silly replay. And then Tupou gets it back, scores in the corner, and the Roosters take a 14-6 lead over the Storm in the 65th minute. Big kick here from Kyle Flanagan. Oh, he's just missed that one. Roosters remain on top, 14-6. The Storm, they need something, but they're about to hand the ball straight back to the Roosters with 15 minutes to go. Cameron Smith. Big kick goes away to the left. Keary gets the ball. He's tackled by Asafa Solomona. Almost caught there by the Storm. Good defence from Jesse Bromwich. He's playing on injured. Oh, the Storm. They've dropped it. And the Roosters have dropped it and the Storm have picked it up. Asafa Solomona charges forward, 70th minute, 14-6. Oh, no defence there from the Roosters. 3 metres out from their line, the Storm. Pappenhausen goes to Kafusi and Seve. Seve in the centres will score for the Storm. This game's getting close. It's 14 points to 10. Now Cameron Smith. Cameron Smith has hooked it to the right. And the Roosters, 14-10. Can the Storm charge late home? We've seen it happen before. Here we go. Grandstand finish coming up. Kyle Flanagan. Kafusi comes off for Tino Fuasala Mali, and Brandon Smith comes on for Kenny Bromwich. Jesse Bromwich injured, still playing on the field. Liu comes on for Mitch Orbison, and a high tackle there from the Roosters. The Storm, they're charging home, and Cameron Munster. Great kick there. 74th minute. Roosters lead 14-10. The Storm on first tackle, just 40 metres out from the try line. And Vunivalu got a breakaway, but the Roosters tackle Vunivalu out. That could do us. Massive tackle there from Ryan Hall. So 75 minutes gone and it goes away. Stays with Radley. Runs it. There's a glitch here. There's a glitch here. Oh no. Injured Jesse Bromwich almost picks it up. But it does get picked up by Takiaho, who passes it. Great offload to Aria Hargraves. And Jesse Bromwich again. The thigh strain has put him off the ground. He's finally going off. And Kenny Bromwich, his brother, will come on the field for him. Round of applause to Jesse. Massive game. Hopefully the injury doesn't last too long. Here's Ryan Hall, who's had a cracker. Goes left for the Roosters. Brett Morris to Tupou. There we go. The Roosters come out on top. 14 points to 10. Roosters win. And our man of the match for this game, I thought it was Ryan Hall, is Victor Radley.
That's much all she wrote.